This video, I'll be showing you guys on how to fix sorry we couldn't verify your details in Klarna. So let's get started. Now, when you get this error, it means something in your personal information doesn't match what Klarna expects. This is not a credit issue. It's an identity verification problem, okay? Now, first, we're gonna look at why Klarna can't verify your details, okay? So the first reason could be your name doesn't match your bank or your card name, okay? For example, you might be using a nickname, you might be missing a middle name, or there might be some spelling mistakes, okay? So the best way to make sure that this is not an issue is, first of all, obviously get your passport or ID card out, read letter by letter the spellings on your ID and match it with the Klarna details. Another thing that could be going wrong is that your address doesn't match official records. Klarna checks with your bank plus credit reference systems. If your address is new or recently changed, verification can fail. It could also be due to phone number mismatch, using a different country code, using a number that is not registered in your name. It could also be due to a wrong date of birth because even a small mistake causes instant rejections, and you can go ahead and fix all these settings or options or change them in edit account info. Okay. And lastly, it could be due to VPN or different country IP. Klarna blocks users who appear to be logging in from different regions. Okay. Now, how do you fix it? So obviously, first of all, as we said, check your personal details in Klarna. So go ahead and click edit account info. Make sure that it has your full legal name exactly as on your passport. Collect date of birth, address matches your bank and ID. Phone number is the same one linked to your bank card, okay? Then you could see and check your bank card details, okay? So obviously you can go to wallet and this is the payment methods. Now, Klarna verifies your identity using your bank card information. So make sure that the billing address on your bank card is the same as Klarna. The card is in your name. It can't be in your parents' name. It can't be on your brother's name. It has to be on your name. And the card is not new because new cards sometimes fail, okay? Turn off VPN or change network. Using a VPN or a foreign IP causes instant couldn't verify details. So disconnect VPN, try again on mobile data or home Wi-Fi. Then try verifying through the Klarna website because sometimes the app glitches but the website works. So go ahead and search up klarna.com on the web browser. Try the purchase again and it usually forces re-verification, okay? You could also try waiting a few hours because if Klarna's verification systems are down, which is usually common, you'll get this error until they refresh. Now, the fastest way is to contact Klarna support, which you can do by clicking on the top right option right there. And you can just go ahead, type in your problem, ask them that you want to talk to a real person, so which is this customer service right there. Just go ahead and click that and they'll easily solve your issue, hopefully. So all right guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope that it helped you out and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.